You'll never change your life until you change something you do daily. The secret of your success is found in your daily routine. Daily habits can change your life for the better. That is, by improving your ability to succeed, your mood, and your health. Like most things in life, daily habits require discipline and commitment. Ready to go on this journey with full power? So, let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to Healthy Life Channel.
1. Wake up early. People whose performance peaks in the morning are better positioned for career success. Starting your day out early allows you to devote more of it to your performance goals and have more time for a successful routine. This can be a trip to the gym, a daily meditation, a mindful breakfast, or another one of the mentioned daily habits of successful people below. 2. Have a morning workout routine. To keep your mind active, you'll need to keep your body active too. The morning is the ultimate time to wake up your muscles either through some stretching, cardio, or a combination of these. Plus, you might end up ditching that morning cup of coffee when you see how energized this makes you feel. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and activate the bell next to it. 3. Eat a healthy breakfast. Breakfast is one of the most important meals of your day. This is the optimal time to consume the most calories too, as you'll need to stay energized throughout your day. The essentials include healthy carbs, proteins, and fats. So make it a priority to not skip this vital meal. If you have no idea what to eat for breakfast, also, you don't have the time and patience to search, don't worry at all. We have collected a collection of the best and healthiest breakfast meals and put them in the video, the link of which is displayed at the top of the page. If you are looking for a healthy, nutritious, and energetic meal for breakfast, and you also want to lose some weight, don't miss this video. 4. Keep a daily journal. Keeping a journal can easily become a productive habit. It can allow you to slow down and reflect on your day, set up goals for yourself, and grow into a more successful person. It involves emptying your mind of conscious morning thoughts in 3 handwritten pages in order to clear it of cluttered thinking and start your day with focus and clarity. 5. Choose 3 goals to prioritize daily. Oftentimes, our to-do lists are often hefty, and we end our days feeling unaccomplished, as we've never made it to the end with a completed one. If that's the case for you, try reframing this mentality by just focusing on 3 of those tasks each day. Then, tackle these items first. If other tasks come up before you've had the chance to complete these, know that sometimes it's absolutely okay to just say no. You only have so much time in a day, and you need to focus on getting ahead rather than dealing with distractions. Consider delegating those less vital tasks to someone else who is able to help in order to improve your productivity. If you have not liked this video yet, make sure to like it now. 6. Read up on your industry. Whether you choose to set up a Google alert for particular keywords, subscribe to a handful of your favorite newsletters, or turn your favorite blog, it's important to stay in the know. This will allow you to keep up with current and major themes, such as marketing trends, graphic design trends, and photography trends. 7. Consume motivational content. Frequently, we are so wrapped up in our daily to-dos that we are far from future-focused. Yet, the most successful people, from small business owners to CEOs of major companies, are always envisioning their dreams and aspirations coming to life. It's fun, it's fulfilling, and therefore definitely worth doing. And of course, a key ingredient of entrepreneurship. If you aren't sure what those are for yourself, consider listening to some motivational podcasts, reading inspirational blogs, or other types of encouraging content. 8. Be more health conscious. Healthy living has a huge impact on your day-to-day life, from your ability to focus to your level of overall energy to whether or not you're able to perform at your best. Beyond your food choices, health also has to do with your sleep schedule, your stress level, and so much more. If you aren't sure you know how to take action, consider working with a health coach, reading up on the latest health trends, or even just drinking an adequate amount of water each day and working out. 9. Keep your space organized and clean. A clean space coincides with a clean mind. From your office desk to your home, you're more likely to feel productive and level-headed if you aren't sorting through the clutter and messes. Each day, make time to do your dishes, wipe your dusty keyboard, and organize your space and to-do list. This only takes a few minutes, and it's guaranteed to jet-set your productivity. In addition, it's worthwhile to have a weekly habit of doing a deep clean of your space too. 10. Sleep long enough. Among the daily habits of successful people, this is one of the most important ones. Sleep is the healthiest thing we can do for ourselves. Without enough sleep, not only will you feel the burnout, but you'll continue to work slower and slower. Imagine the impact this will have on your ability to be productive. Sleep helps us reset like nothing else. Most adults require a healthy dose of 7-9 hours of sleep per night. Remember that everything depends on you. If, in any situation, you force yourself to practice these positive habits every day, after a while you will be amazed at the new person you have become. To get more information, tap on one of the suggested videos at the end of this video. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. To see more videos, be sure to subscribe to the Healthy Life channel.